Go, just get your girly hair out of the way and go. Hair back. Hair back.
Oh, he's already burning.
Chew it up, swish it around.
Oh my god.
Look at the camera.
Its burn only intensifies. It gets worse. I swallowed it.
Move his hair back. Look at his face.
He's already starting to swivel.
Here, get water, bud.
Wow,
He's the water.
He's starting to like listen.
Give me this.
Drink it slow.
Ghost peppers. Fuck you up.
Those pepper flakes.
Flakes, yeah. From thinkgeek.com.
Oh, is that right?
$11.99.
No advertising.
Fire! Fire!
Look at this. His face is red and he's starting to sweat. And he dropped in there. Ready to go.
So hot.
It's Elisa's worries.
What the
I
fuck?
want to test and see if Hershey's syrup will help. Like,
Well, tell him to dump the Hershey syrup in his mouth.
Reminds me of stupid sauce.
I don't know, this probably a little hotter than stupid sauce.
product placement.
A lot
Hershey's
harder.
syrup.
Look, he's
I
sweating.
was 8.
Jesus.
Never smile.
What are you doing? You didn't eat it. Look, he's drinking out of the Hershey
Yum,
bottle.
yum.
Right, you
Honey.
open that.
You still on fire?
Oh my
Go, Brandy.
As he drinks the fucking... Is there still that safety cap on it, or do you drink it?
Watch it just make it burn more.
Flames shoot out of his mouth.
god. It's so hot.